Speaking of things that are happening, OnePlus CEO Pete Lau says, "Hey, you know what? We've done many things recently. We've done about 1 billion phones.
Yeah.
We've done about 1 billion headphones. We've done OnePlus Nord, and now we're gonna do a smartwatch."
Yeah.
And it was part of a series of tweets. He said, "We've made phone cases, headphones, and even backpacks. So I want to ask you, what's your favorite accessory? Is there something you want to see we haven't done yet?" And then he follows it up with, "Many of you said you wanted a watch, so you got it." Which is like, Pete, I know you had the watch. I know you're going to do the watch regardless of what people said. Because it's not easy to make a watch.
Yeah, they also did TVs too, right?
They did TVs, which he didn't reference there. Interesting.
Yeah.
Good find. Why not reference the TVs?
They have their own ecosystem going.
I think the TVs, they only release them in very specific markets, like in India, and maybe that's why he didn't reference it, because it was very regional. Anyways, they're apparently working with Google. They have not confirmed whether or not it's going to run the Wear OS, but they say we're working closely with Google to make sure it functions. So presumably it's going to run Wear OS. If you look at their other products, they stay pretty true to form when it comes to working with Android across their smartphones. So I wouldn't be surprised to see Wear OS on there. It could potentially be launched alongside the OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro, or maybe before or after that if they want to do a dedicated event. Apparently, it could be a circular watch as well, which we don't see as many of those anymore. When we had in the early days of Wear OS, it was all about circles.
Yeah.
And then that idea kind of faded, but it looks like OnePlus will contribute to the potentially. I mean, it could come out and be a square, but some of the early drawings that they shared years ago were circular. So we'll see.